Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we re-diving into Boho Christmas Decoration, a warm, natural, and slightly eclectic way to celebrate the season. In this video, we'll stroll through a gallery of images that embody the Bohemian holiday spirit, and I'll describe each scene so you can picture it in your home, even before you try to recreate it. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more home decor ideas, DIY projects, and cozy style tips. If you enjoy the video, please like and comment your favorite look at the end. Now, let us begin our boho stroll through a collection of images that feel handmade, organic, and inviting. Image 1 shows a cozy living room corner. A slender branch Christmas tree stands in a woven basket, its branches lightly dusted with warm white fairy lights. The palette stays soft and neutral, creams, taupes, and touches of warm brown. A chunky knit throw lies across a low seat, and a few linen and wool cushions add texture without shouting color. This is a space that feels breathable and calm, with natural textures doing the heavy lifting instead of loud color. Image 2 features a large macrame wall hanging dominating a plain wall. The cotton cords are knotted in a relaxed pattern, colored in soft ivory and oatmeal. A garland of pine branches threads behind it, with dried orange slices and eucalyptus adding gentle perfume and color. The combination of texture and scent creates an atmosphere that is inviting, not flashy, and it instantly reads boho chic in a modern living room. Image 3 shows a mantel decorated with natural elements. A garland of pine cones and dried botanicals winds along the top, studded with small amber candles that cast a warm glow. A couple of rattan spheres and wooden bowls add height and interest. This look is understated but rich, and it demonstrates how small accents can carry a big holiday vibe when you mix natural materials. Image 4 captures a dining table centerpiece that feels effortless and elegant. A ceramic vase holds a plume of Pampas grass, paired with dried florals and wispy greens. A jute table runner runs the length of the table, and a handful of tea light candles in amber glass create a soft, dancing light. The color story remains neutral, with the grasses and florals providing movement and life without overpowering the room. Image 5 offers a tree alternative that still feels festive. A slim branch tree sits on a sideboard or console, decorated with tiny macrame tassels and handmade ornaments. The idea here is minimal footprint but maximum charm, a boho nod to traditional Christmas trees that works beautifully in smaller spaces or in spaces with a more abstract aesthetic. Image 6 showcases natural ornaments up close, glass baubles filled with dried petals, wood beads, and hemp cords. These pieces catch the light in warm ways and remind us that decoration can be simple, honest, and sustainable. When you lean into natural textures, you create a sense of coziness that doesn't require a loud color palette. Image 7 shifts to lighting. Warm string lights are draped inside a lantern and around a decorative frame, casting soft, friendly shadows on a textured wall. The glow in boho Christmas styling is crucial. It softens the space and makes every other detail feel a little more intimate and welcoming. Image 8 focuses on gift wrap ideas that align with the boho vibe. Brown craft paper is dressed up with twine, dried leaves, and a sprig of eucalyptus. It looks thoughtful and handmade, which is exactly the spirit of boho holiday wrapping. Personal, sustainable, and stylish even in its simplicity. Image 9 presents a cozy reading nook that proves boho Christmas can be at home in nearly any room. A macrame plant hanger holds a lush green pot while a sheepskin rug cushions a chair. Soft lighting, a warm throw, and natural textures invite you to linger and savor the season in a quiet, intimate corner. Image 10 returns to the entry or living area, where a woven basket sits by a bench or console. Blankets and a few carefully chosen ornaments rest inside, ready to welcome guests. This is the kind of practical decoration that feels effortless and lived in, a reminder that beautiful Christmas style can be comfortable and functional at the same time. DIY quick tips you can try this week. First, make a macrame garland by knotting pieces of cotton cord at regular intervals and tying the ends to a lightweight dowel or jute twine. Second, create a tassel garland by trimming several lengths of yarn, tying them at the top, and attaching them along a string or ribbon. Third, dry orange slices in a cool oven to create natural ornaments. Once cooled, thread a piece of twine through the rind to hang on the tree or garlands. Fourth, gather pine cones, rub a little wax on their tips to add a subtle shine, and display in a shallow tray with a few sprigs of greenery for a holiday-ready vignette. As you look at each image, notice how the boho Christmas look centers on texture, proportion, and calm color. There's no need to overwhelm a space with color. Instead, embrace the warmth that natural materials bring: cotton, linen, jute, wood, wicker, and glass, and let the light do the rest. If you're redecorating a small space, start with one statement piece, such as a macrame wall hanging or a branch tree, and build around it with a couple of accent items. Now, a quick reminder to interact with this. If you found a look you love in these images, tell us in the comments which image inspired you most. Do you prefer a mantel full of pine cones and candles, or a clean, minimalist branch tree with a few handmade ornaments? Your ideas help others decide how to adapt boho Christmas to their homes. If you're enjoying this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss upcoming decor guides and DIY tutorials. Also, consider sharing this video with friends who love warm, natural styling. Boho Christmas can be a gateway to sustainable, cozy holiday decorating for many homes. Finally, remember that boho Christmas is less about chasing trends and more about crafting a personal, welcoming space. It's about soft textures, natural colors, and thoughtful details that tell a story. Take inspiration from the images you see here, adapt them to your space, and give yourself permission to keep things simple. The best part of boho decorating is how forgiving it is. You can mix old finds with new touches, add a handmade ornament, and watch your room come alive with character and warmth. Thanks for joining me on this boho Christmas tour. I can't wait to see what you create in your homes this season. See you in the next video, and happy decorating!